Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will learn about ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is basically a tool in which we learn something new, or you can search anything that we want to search on Google and or somewhere else. Like it's a search medium, or you can say it's basically a search engine that provide you collaborative data from different websites. So ChatGPT is a tool. So we'll learn about ChatGPT, its history, and what is it all about. So here I will search about ChatGPT, and this is basically ChatGPT. I will open it in the new tab. So let me show you some history about it. Wiki ChatGPT. Okay. So ChatGPT. So we learn about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT basically stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transform Model. So it's an AI model. AI is basically the artificial intelligence, and its developer is OpenAI. OpenAI is an American artificial intelligence American artificial intelligence research laboratory. Consists of non-profit OpenAI Incorporation and for its profit subsidiary corporation OpenAI LP. OpenAI conducts research on artificial intelligence with the clear intention of developing safe and beneficial artificial general intelligence. So this is basically what the OpenAI. So its initial release in November 30 and 2022, 9 months ago, and the stable release was recently 37 days ago. It's written in Python because mostly the AI tools depends on the Python language. So Python is a strong language which will rule the world in future also. And one more thing you have to think about is it's basically variant. These have different variants. The ChatGPT. So it's is an Python tool. You can say the artificial intelligence tool that is basically written on or developed on the Python language, and has two variants. The variant one is for 3.5, and the paid variant is GPT-4, which also comes up with some images and the videos to put in on. So the platform is basically it work on the cloud computing platforms, and its type is ChatGPT-4, large language models, generative pre-trained transform, and its property license is property. Okay? And after that, its website is basically this. So we'll click on the websites to get ourselves. So here I will log in the ChatGPT. So it will ask me for the password. So I'll enter my email and the password here. Wait, let me enter the password again. Oh, I forgot the password. So I will go with Google. So here how I enter. So you can only enter your username here, and then you have to enter your password. And sorry for that. So I logged into it, so I have to verify that using two-factor authentication. And so let me verify that. So yes, it's me. So we are done with the two-factor authentication, and so here is how we can search on ChatGPT. So what you have to do is basically these are basically the two variants. Okay, you can see that the GPT-4 is basically of you can say A paid variant. One or most capable model created for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. So I will search how to use ChatGPT. I just wrong with the wrong spellings, so it shows me some ways that how I do interact with the ChatGPT. So using ChatGPT is quite straightforward. You can interact with through it based on interface and API integration of platform that has generated ChatGPT into services. Here is a general guide to use ChatGPT. So basically, there is a text-based interface which you can use to interact with the ChatGPT. And so what you have to do is basically you have to go to the OpenAI Play background or similar platform that provide access to ChatGPT. You will see a text input box here. You can see that this is basically which is talking about type a question or prompt and press enter or submit button. So what you have to do, like we did before, I asked ChatGPT how to use ChatGPT, so it shows me this is basically the enter button or the send message button. So continuing conversation by typing in your text question and ChatGPT will respond accordingly. So I got you. It's basically what you can chat with your friends. So it replied me that great. If you have more questions or further assistance with anything, feel free to ask. So how? So I will ask how to create Gmail account. So it will show me that this is how do I create a Gmail account. So this is basically a sign up link, and here you have to put your first name, last name, username and all that, then creating password, confirming your password, birth date, gender, phone number, and after that you will add an email recovery option that is basically the optional. So agree the term and privacy conditions, verifying your phone number, complete setup and explore the Gmail. So this is basically what I'm talking about. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.